Hi there, I'm Simone Wolf with your JIS News of the Week. Government is proposing to manage the country's affairs with a budget of $612.4 billion in the 2012-2013 fiscal year. The largest portion, $375 billion, is allocated to housekeeping matters, with $237.4 billion set aside for capital or development obligations. The Finance Ministry gets the biggest chunk, with much of its budget dedicated to meeting Jamaica's debt obligations. Education, national security, and health also command significant portions of the budget. The Standing Finance Committee of Parliament's lower house will review the estimates of expenditure from May 15 to 17, and the Finance Minister will open the budget debate on May 24. The new budget is crafted to support a development agenda that includes some major infrastructure projects. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen outlined that agenda Thursday morning as he delivered the throne speech to cap the ceremonial opening of Parliament. These will include the resumption of work on the north-south leg of Highway 2000 and the Mount Rossa bypass. A community renewal program, heightened Jamaica Emergency Employment Program, and measures to solve the country's energy problem are also among the mix.
The government places priority on preparing and passing an act to establish Jamaica as a republic within the Commonwealth of Nations.
Legislation to that effect is among 32 bills the administration is pushing to have enacted in the 2012-2013 parliamentary year. Other key pieces of legislation will deal with making the CCJ, Jamaica's final court of appeal, tackling the flow of credit in the economy, the establishment of a single anti-corruption agency, anti-gang legislation, and amendments to the Evidence Act to allow video-recorded evidence in court and facilitate the use of DNA evidence. The administration also expects to complete the new national security policy. The Youth and Culture Ministry has launched a new job creation initiative called Digital Jam 2.0. It's designed to introduce young people to trends, training, job, and entrepreneurial opportunities in the virtual economy while showcasing their talents, ideas, and successes.
So Digital Jam 2.0, 2.0 is a catalyst to launch our activities across government.
With funding totaling upwards of $200,000, a program of events, competitions, and other activities will be executed over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Labor Day activities this year will be focused on cleaning up communities, towns, and villages for the Jamaica 50 celebrations. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has called for a recommitment to the principle of volunteerism.
It is a call to care for our country, our communities, our environment, and our people.
Heroes Park is the National Labor Day project. The local government ministry is implementing a pilot project to install or retrofit LED lighting and solar panels to some 5,000 streetlights in St. Catherine, Kingston, and Clarendon. A US-based company, Green RG, has been given a work order to proceed with the job, which should result in the national electricity bill being cut by some $40 million each year.
This pilot project will be of no cost to Jamaica. But we will not stop there. Over the next few months, we will be conducting energy audits on all local authority buildings with a view to accruing similar savings across our municipalities.
And finally, stopover arrivals for the upcoming summer tourist season are expected to increase by 2%. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says this is expected to flow from the strong growth of 19.9% recorded for the 2011-2012 winter tourist season. He says the Jamaica 50 celebrations will help to boost arrival figures. In the meantime, government's program to encourage domestic tourism has been launched for the 2012 calendar year.
This Experience Jamaica program, as the name implies, is really about building awareness. Awareness of what Jamaica has to offer and facilitating a reconnection with Jamaica and Jamaicans.
This year, resorts and attractions are offering discounts of up to 50% to encourage more Jamaicans to experience the country's award-winning tourism product. And those are some of the stories making news this week. I'm Simone Wolf.